Today's recipe features a side dish loaded with classic Greek flavors. And yes, it does deserve a big opa. Howard shows us how to make Greek potatoes in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
When it comes to side dishes, we often find ourselves in a rut. We end up making the same few dishes over and over. Well, to help you add some excitement to your table, we came up with an easy potato casserole that starts with a few market shortcuts and ends up with everyone asking for more. We start by adding a bit of basil, oregano, garlic powder, and salt to some olive oil. Now we add a package of refrigerated sliced potatoes and give that a good mix until the potatoes are coated. We spoon it into a baking dish and into the oven it goes for 30 minutes or so until it's heated through and the edges get nice and crispy. The nice thing about starting with refrigerated potatoes is they're super quick since they come pre-cooked. And when this comes out of the oven, finish it off with some crumbled feta and a bit of lemon juice, and we have a hot and hearty Greek-inspired side dish that is anything but boring. As a matter of fact, if you'd like the recipe, just type in Greek potatoes on MrFood.com and you'll be armed with a new side dish that'll have your gang asking for seconds time and time again. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Mediterranean way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Those do look tasty. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.